Ever wondered how these faceless YouTube channels are churning out content that's raking in hundreds of thousands of views and thousands of dollars every month, all with the help of AI tools? Well, today, I'm here to spill the beans on how you can potentially earn up to $1,000 a day with YouTube automation using InVideo AI. And the best part? You won't need a scriptwriter, editor, or voiceover artist. You won't have to lift a finger. Just type in your video topic, hit generate, and let the AI work its magic. Plus, I'll reveal one of the highest paying YouTube automation niches which you can start making right now. So, don't forget to hit that like button and let's dive into the first step, choosing your niche. Now, let's get started with the first step on your path to YouTube success, selecting the right niche for your YouTube automation channel. When it comes to YouTube automation, there are 3 major categories to choose from: health, wealth, and entertainment. But if you're looking to maximize your earnings, the wealth niche is where it's at. Think of topics like how to make money online, business, finance, investing, and luxury. These are the highest paying niches out there. For instance, within the wealth niche, the stock market stands out with the highest RPM, revenue per mile, or revenue per 1,000 views. RPM can vary, but you can expect to earn anywhere from $10 to $30 for every 1,000 views on your channel. That's impressive, right? But here's the real kicker: if you promote affiliate offers related to stock trading from platforms like ClickBank or Warrior Plus, you could be making an extra $3,000 to $5,000, and that's virtually free money. So, once you've settled on your niche, it's time to move on to the next step, and this is where things get exciting. Step 2 involves a fantastic AI tool that's going to be your new best friend on this journey: InVideo AI. I use this myself, and it allowed me to make multiple cash cow channels, earning thousands of dollars per month. With over 7 million users worldwide and a Trustpilot rating of 4.6, it's the go-to tool for creating top-quality videos with just a single click. I included the link in the description and pinned comments so it's easier for you to access. Here's how you get started. 1. Click the link on the description or pinned comments and sign up for a free account. 2. Log in and access your InVideo AI dashboard. Now, here's where the magic happens. You give the AI a topic, and it does the rest. But how do you come up with the best video topics? I'm about to share 2 secret methods that I use for all my successful YouTube channels. Method 1. Scout popular channels in your niche on YouTube, like this trading channel. Check out their most popular videos, and select topics that align with your channel's goals. Method 2. Head over to promoterkit.com, enter your keywords, e.g. stock market, and explore low difficulty topics to rank for, even with a small subscriber base. Once you've chosen your topic, it's time to dive into the AI-powered video creation process. At InVideo AI, you have multiple options for video creation. You can either write your own prompts or choose from various video types. For this example, let's go with a YouTube explainer video, ideal for engaging your audience. Here you have a few options. You can either simply write your own prompts in this box and hope to achieve the desired results, or from here, you can just select the type of video you want to create. In this example, I will select the YouTube explainer video. From here, now, I want you to select the length of your video. For my channel, I want the videos to be around 4 minutes. Then, in this box, you need to type in the topic of your video, which in my case is how to make millions in MarketCraft. Now, if you want, you can also add some more details related to what to talk about and what not to talk about in this video. Also, you can add creative thoughts and ideas here, like tone, humor, etc. Afterward, you can type in the kind of background music you want in your video. Next, you can select the gender of your voiceover in the video and the accent of the voiceover for your video. Then, in the watermark, you can simply type in the name of your YouTube channel. For video stock footage, you can select the different options available here and just click on Continue. On this page, click the Generate Video option. After searching for a few seconds, this AI tool will ask you some more information. You can select the type of audience you are creating videos for, the look and feel of the video, and the platform for which you are creating this video for. Just click Continue. Select your video length, add any specific details, and even specify background music preferences. You can choose the gender and accent of the voiceover, add a watermark with your channel name, and select video stock footage. Now, here's where the AI shines. And in just 30 to 40 seconds, it does the heavy lifting. It finds the perfect title, plans the script, records the voiceover, creates scenes, adds background music, and even inserts text. Don't worry about the watermark, you can remove it when you export the video. But what if you want to make changes? InVideo AI has got you covered. Method 1. Click Regenerate to let the AI generate a completely new video based on your updated inputs. You can tweak everything from the audience to the look and feel. Method 2. Edit your video manually. You can replace or upload media, change scenes, and fine-tune the script to your liking. Method 3. Simply type your desired changes in the text box. You can request a new intro, adjust the pace, or change the background music. The AI listens and acts accordingly. Once you're satisfied with your video, click Apply Changes. Then, it's time to export. Choose your resolution. 1080p is recommended, and you can decide whether to keep watermarks or remove them by upgrading your plan. By the way, I want to share a fantastic tool that can supercharge your YouTube growth. It's called vidIQ, and here's why you should check it out. vidIQ offers powerful features like keyword research, competition analysis, and real-time video analytics, all designed to help you skyrocket your channel's success. Want to get started for free? Simply click the link in the video description and pinned comments. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube journey to the next level with vidIQ. And there you have it, a professionally crafted video ready to be uploaded to your YouTube channel. Rinse and repeat this process to keep your content fresh and engaging. So click the link on the description or pinned comments and sign up for a free account right now. This could be the start of you making thousands of dollars per month with YouTube. But wait! To supercharge your YouTube growth, I've got an exciting tip for you in my next video. Click and watch this next and start making money online today. Hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on your journey to financial success. Thanks for watching.